Baxium can bring value to the private equity mid-market in portfolio management by providing a tool that allows GPs to manage two critical processes in their organizations. One of them is the monitoring process, and the other one is the evaluation process. On the monitoring process, we help our clients collect the data from their portfolio companies and automate all the reporting process that is typically run on a monthly basis, and that is usually a very manual process. So with Baxium, they can shorten their reporting cycle, they can have a more precise and accurate set of reports, and also they can then aggregate all that information at a fund level and report that to LPs.
It's always good, I think, for an LP to hear that we are very active in our performance management, the good ones, and how we are trying to fix the bad ones. And if it is the case that a bad one can't be turned and we just hit the wrong ball off out the gates, then we're going to switch it off.
To start with, effective portfolio management is really having reliable, accurate, and timely information. And what we see in this particular industry is that it is still a very manual-intensive industry where information is gathered in Excel files and then re-entered in other Excel files. That makes the whole process slow, prone to errors, and really there's a huge opportunity for improvement and for defining clear processes with workflows, sign-off processes to make that much more robust way of collecting that information and then reporting it internally and externally. So we see that there's still a lot of room to improve in this industry, as it is happening in other industries as well. I would say that their approach has changed, driven by LPs. LPs are much more interested in really understanding what is going on with their underlying investments, and therefore they have much more appetite for detail and for information about their companies than what they had a few years ago. And this is basically driving GPs to adopt tools, systems that allow them to provide that information accurately, timely, and in a professional way.